Hey guys, so today I am back with a what's in my bag video, one of those OG YouTube videos that have been going on for centuries now. So literally I haven't cleaned out my bag, so I'm a little bit worried. I think it should be quite clean though because I haven't had this bag for too long, but I have used it enough for it to be an authentic what's in my bag. So if you want to see what's in my bag, then please keep on watching. So the bag that I have been using is the Louis Vuitton Speedy 30. I've got an unboxing video on it that I think would have come up a couple of weeks ago, but that was filmed a while ago. I've had this bag for about a couple of months by the time I'm filming this, and honestly I am obsessed with it. I need to look after it more really, but yeah, so this is the bag that I'm using at the moment. Again, like I said, there was an unboxing video and everything else, so I won't go too in depth. So it literally doesn't have any other pockets apart from the main compartment and like a little pouch here at the top. So I'm actually going to start with that little pouch. So the first thing that I've grabbed is the Louis Vuitton little bag with the keys for the little padlock here that they come with, and I just like to keep it in this little pouch so I don't lose it, and if it's in the bag then it's kind of like it's always there. Next I have a beat up old hair tie that is literally hanging by a thread. I'm just gonna check that on my wrist, and then I've got another two hair ties. I just hate having my hair down, I'm not gonna lie, it's just really annoying for me, so I prefer to just kind of like shove my hair up, and I do that for work, I do that for commutes, I just tie my hair up all the time. And then I have just a Louis Vuitton coat of fabric cowhide leather trim that comes with the bag, and then the sticker for it. I obviously haven't taken that out yet. And then I also have a rosary that my mum gave me that I just keep with me at all times. It did have a pouch, but I left it at my friend's, so a bit annoyed, but I should get that back soon. And usually with this rosary and the pouch is this 4-leaf clover that my boyfriend found me, that he put in a little thing like that. So I just kind of keep them on me at all times. So when I used to sit exams, this would be in the pouch, both these items, and I just have it there just for safety. Like I just like having them near me kind of thing. So that's actually everything in that compartment. And then if I just give you like a quick look as to what the inside has, it's really heavy because it's kind of full up at the moment, so I'm literally just gonna dive in and just bring out whatever I get. So the first thing I'm gonna get is the biggest item in here, and it is my planner. I don't usually have this with me, but I think when I went it was because I had to go to work and I needed to fill in some dates, and so that's why I have it with me. Basically this was from TK Maxx. This was £9.99, which is quite a bit for a planner since you can get them for £1 at like pound shop or something, which I used to actually do, but at the moment I've been trying to really get into like the whole planning thing. And although this is a 2019 agenda, it actually has started from August, so I bought this back then. So just at the front, it's honestly just so pretty, and it has these little pocket holders just for random things. So I've been selling a lot of my stuff on Depop and Facebook at the moment, and a lot of them are done through post. So my dad, he's a postman. For Christmas they get a bunch of stamps, and so I kind of just stole them from him so that postage and packaging is a little bit cheaper. So with the job role that I currently have, I just have some applicant resumes. I have a work to-do list that I've got here, and then you just have little quotes for every beginning of the month. So August is make it happen, September is the best is yet to come, October is the best way to predict the future is to create it. So nice little quotes like I said. So when you open that up, you kind of have the front page, which is the say like the month at a glance, has August goals, August to do. So that's my agenda, my little diary. Next up I have my Beats headphones holder. So I'm trying to think where my Beats are now. Oh, they're in the car. But I just carry this around with me so it doesn't get scratched up. So I always try and put my beats back in here. But I also have the little headphone jack for it. I don't know why I went like that. And the charger as well. So that's that. Next I have a scrunchie. I am obsessed with scrunchies at the moment. My boyfriend thinks I look like a toddler with it, but I absolutely love these scrunchies, and this is my favourite one actually, this little cheetah print, just because I feel like it's very 90s. It's cool. I think it's cool. I have Apple headphones, just standard ones. Don't know why I need those in my beats, but that's what I have. And then I have this EOS lip balm, and this is the, I think this is like the coconutty one. It's really weird because I can't seem to like get it to be as like creamy as the other ones that I've had, so it's just a bit weird. I don't actually like this, it makes me dizzy, like the smell of it, so I might give it to my sister. Next I have a Victoria's Secret Tease fragrance lotion, just because I hate dry hands, and if I'm not mistaken I should have, oh maybe I don't, I can't feel it. Oh, I usually have like the rollerball that matches this, but apparently I don't in my bag. And then I just have this water bottle that we sell at work, and it's actually pretty bougie because it's a glass bottle. Next I have, oh, this is really gross because it has hair sticking out of it, so maybe I'll just pull that and pop it in the bin. But it's just a little thing from Primark, so you get a little comb, and then you get next I just have some ranitidine, just because my tummy hurts now and again, so that kind of calms it down a little bit. Then I have aloe vera anti-bac hand gel, just looks like that. I think this is from Superdrug actually, because I'm actually kind of ill at the moment, so oh, that made the most vile sound. I usually have like anti-bac anyway, but I literally have been using this religiously just because I'm so ill and I don't want to get anyone else ill, and also I just don't want to get even more ill if that's even possible. So next I just have some Wilko ultra soft pocket tissues, just because like I said I'm ill. Next I just have my little Lord Voldemort wand pen that I got from Harry Potter Warner Brothers Studios. This was a rip-off. This and like some cardboard like bookmark was like 20 quid. It was ridiculous, but it is a cool pen, I'm not gonna lie. Next I have this YSL liquid colour balm in the shade 12, number 12 I think. It's just lip balm. I don't really know, this is the one that I'm always like, I don't think it does anything, but I like it. Next I just have my phone. I have hella notifications because, well actually that never happens. I have the red iPhone 7 Plus and just some black phone case from eBay I think it was. But next I have another hair tie, so that's a total of 4 at the moment. And then I just have my wallet. This is another video. This is the Louis Vuitton Josephine wallet, if I'm not mistaken. I definitely have an unboxing review video on it earlier on as well, so that'll be somewhere on my channel. But yeah, so inside I literally have no cash, just some cards, my ID, national insurance card. I'm missing one of my cards actually. Don't know where it is. I don't have any cash apart from the £5 note, but it's pretty empty, so it's really boring. Then, do I have other things in it? Oh yeah, I have the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow. I don't know, but it's, you know what I mean. Try not to like blind you. It's this one. It is my go-to. I absolutely love this, and it's actually really affordable, I think, because it's £16, so you can literally put away like 50 quid on a lip gloss that's just not really that worth it, you know. Next I have this Chanel bronzer. It was pricey, yes, but it was so worth the money. I love the colour, I just love the way it feels. It's not cakey or anything, but also can we just talk about the packaging? It comes in like this suede, what's it called, pouch, and it doesn't feel cheap either, and it has like the Chanel logo at the front. So you open it up and it just kind of looks like that, and it comes with the blush and just a mirror. So it's quite handy to have a mirror that isn't your phone, just because sometimes you don't really see things properly with your phone. But yeah, this is the Healthy Glow Sheer Powder in number 50. I have a feeling it's actually like just a face powder, but like a darker shade. And then I just have gum wrapper, gross. Another hair tie, so that's a total of 5. And, oh, and 5 pens. And that is literally everything, apart from just emptied out all the dust of my bag onto my lap. But yeah, that's literally everything that's in my bag. So I hope you guys enjoyed me showing you what's in my bag. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Bye.